Closing market comments for Monday, September the 21st. Markets were sharply lower today on a lot of fund selling, a lot of hedge pressure from a good harvest weekend, and just an overall weak attitude in markets in general. The only thing really up on my screen today was the dollar, and the NASDAQ was up a little bit. Other than that, across the board, we had pretty lower markets. Beans closed the day down 21, wheat closed the day down 20, and corn closed down 9. So sharply lower day. We did not break through support levels yet, so that is a positive in the market, but we'll have to see what tomorrow brings because it really is a critical level here. If we continue to go down like we did today, we could see that this thing might be over for the time being. We'll have to just see. USDA did announce sales this morning, 132,000 metric tons of beans to China again, 132,000 metric tons to Pakistan, and 171,000 metric tons of corn to unknown. So again, good sales announcements today, but was not enough to support this market with the pressure it was under today. Weekly exports were released. Corn exports at 29.7 million. That's down from 37 million last week, but up from last year at 9.3, with 26 to 35 million expected and 45.9 needed. Soybean exports last week were 48.2. That's down from 59.7 the previous week, but above a year ago at 34.0. The expected range was 37 to 58 and 40.7 million needed per week. Wheat exports at 17.3 million, down from 25.4 the previous week, above or just right at the same as last year at 18.0, and 17 to 26 expected with 18.3 needed. So exports were good, not outstanding, but decent. We still concerned on these corn exports. We need to pick up these corn exports. We're running about 15 million behind a week, and we need to pick that up because every week we run behind, we add more pressure on later on. So we'll have to see. Otherwise, in the markets, as I said, the dollar was the only thing up today. It was up about 620 points. Gold was down $43 an ounce. Silver was down $2.50 an ounce. Crude oil was down $1.50. Stock markets were mixed, but Dow futures down 531, NASDAQ up 75, and S&P down 38. So as you can see, the markets overall were just in a very weak state. We did have news of increase in COVID around the world in different places, Germany, Europe, and in general. We did see a little bump up here in the U.S. as well, which caused some concerns. And the other thing was there was talk of the banking industry having some issues with the federal government on money laundering, basically for some criminal units. So we'll see how things go. We'll hope for a bounce back tomorrow. Thanks for watching.